Hello all, this is Samiksha Jaju from grade 9 Synergy National School. Today I am in front of you with a very interesting subject, that is Jawaharlal Nehru and his dedications towards the Constitution. Before moving towards the topic, let us understand what is meant by the Constitution. Constitution is a set of rules and regulations guiding the administration of a country. Indian Constitution is the largest constitution in the world with 395 articles and 12 schedules. It places government's power in the hands of citizens and limits the power of government. Also establishes a system of check and balances. Let us see some images of Nehru towards the constitution. Moving towards his early life, Jawaharlal Nehru was born in 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. He was born to family of Kashmiri Brahmins. He was the eldest son of Motilal Nehru. He married Kamla Kaul, who also came from a Kashmiri family, and their only child, Indira Gandhi, served as Prime Minister of India. Let us see Nehru towards his goals. Jawaharlal Nehru met Gandhi for the first time in 1916 at the annual meeting of Indian National Congress in Lucknow. When late in 1921, the prominent leaders and workers of the Congress party were outlawed in some provinces, Nehru spent more than 9 years in jail. Let us see about Jawaharlal Nehru towards Indian Constitution. He served as the first Prime Minister for 17 years. As Prime Minister, he played a very critical role in Indian economy. He was instrumental in adoption of import substitution and the development of heavy industries sector. He led many movements, participated in protest, led the nationalist movements. Also, he denounced the Government of India Act 1935. He characterized a very popular character in making of the constitution. This is the image of the members of parliament and Jawaharlal Nehru over the parliament. Moving towards the final decisions, the growing aspiration of Indian constitutionalism, representative government and sovereignty of people, republican policy, basic rights and liberties of citizens, citizenship and independent judiciary based on the rule of law, socio-economic and political justice. These were all of the humanism nationalists who in India were inspired to think on these points. Also, while the Constitutional Assembly was convened to meet on 9th December 1949, by the time the Constituent Assembly met in the first session, Nehru had developed the clear-cut and definite views on the type of constitution that India should have and the objectives, aims of the states. Nehru's introductory speech and his replies to the views and comments of the members established conclusively the pivotal role of Nehru in constitution making. It would be difficult to have a clear view about constitution making without analyzing the role of Nehru in it. At last, Jawaharlal Nehru and the constitution